In part one of this video, you saw how to administer the Basepaws saliva test for the cats and how to submit the tests for your results. In conclusion, part two contains the test results of our cats, Ozzie and Zeke, and here's where we conclude. The first thing that you're going to get when it's time to view your cat's test result is you're going to get an email from Basepaws, and they're going to go ahead and tell you that your cat's tests are in. So it'll give you an opportunity to log in and check it out. Go ahead and go back to the website and then go ahead and look at your cats. And underneath your cats, you will see that there is a dental health test. So in this case, both Ozzie and Zeke have a dental health test. You could go ahead and view that report. Let's go ahead and click on it. And this is what you get. You get this nice, big, long dental report back that gives you some information on your cat. Now, in particular, one of the things that I took note of are the high-risk microbes. So this is for Zeke. Now, Zeke had already had some teeth removed because he was having some issues and we had been brushing his teeth. So I would expect that Zeke's results would not be that bad. However, they were still in the medium category. And also, if you take a look, let's go look at Ozzie's. I was really alarmed when I saw the overall risk for periodontal disease for Ozzie at a 9 and tooth resorption at 9 and bad breath. So I saw these big red indicators of a 9 out of 10. I was very alarmed. So I immediately got this information to my vet. So what's next? Ozzie and Zeke had to get a vet appointment, and the vet examined both of them and made recommendations to have a dental done on both kitties. It's not like being in the bank.
What do you think, Deekie? Oh, the Deekie poop. How'd it go, Deekie? Muffin, how are you doing, buddy?
Ozzie, if I say it, it'll sound like a lot. There was 12 extractions, but his teeth are the best. It's just his incisors. His incisors were so inflamed. I want to show you his radiographs.
Okay.
And it's on my phone, so it's not the best, but look at, like, his fangs look so beautiful. There's no signs of infection. And then you see, look at his incisors. They're resorptive. They're all getting eaten. So this is before I do any. So
this is the genetic testing.
To be able to leave those in there. And all of his gingivitis was right here. So
yeah,
even,
he won't let us touch the front.
It hurts. Really when he's under full anesthesia, he'll chatter there. And the back of his mouth with all the important teeth are great. So those resorptive lesions are congenital and autoimmune. So
there's nothing we could have done.
you did great. Like, their teeth were in awesome shape. There was just gingivitis on both of them.
Yay. So that's good. Okay.
And Zeke was the same. I won't get you, Angel. I love you so much.
I'm so sorry, Dr. Jeff. He's really not a bad kitty.
You decline your apology. I love him and it's okay. And it's like, so.
He's just scared. He gets scared.
He had the same resorptive lesions, but his were on his premolars. So 2, and then it was 5 total.
Yeah.
So he still has his fangs.
But he's really kind of problems eating.
And I'll show you the radiographs. When we take the radiograph of the premolars, there's no roots. Like, it literally is a crown there, and he's under full anesthesia, not moving. And as I go to probe it and check it, he'll chatter.
Oh,
so it's like, it's amazing.
Oh my gosh.
It was a long day for him, but it was so rewarding. Like, I think in 5-6 days, their teeth are going to feel awesome.
Expensive as they are. So.
Totally.
Yeah.
They're going to do great. I think it was super rewarding. And Zeke did awesome. He just makes me sad when he gets nervous to just be like, it's okay, bud.
Well, so some good news then. Yes?
Well, we did what we could. I mean, he could tell that they had their teeth cleaned a bunch. So
the teeth were rotting from the inside out.
Sad.
And that's what the problem is. And so
Right.
you kept the teeth clean on the outside, but
It
they're
didn't
rotting from the
matter.
inside. There's nothing you can do.
And with both of them, you could tell that their teeth were starting to bug them. Ozzie was drooling more when he was eating, and Zeke would just keep like spitting out food more and more. And as Dr. Jeff said, probably just because it was hurting him as well.
And
So
for
they
Ozzie,
needed a vet visit.
it was just the front teeth that were bad.
Yeah.
And so Zeke lost a couple more teeth again, but it is what it is. It's a genetic issue. So,
Yeah.
all right.
You know, the good news is that if they just lose them all, then they won't have to have dentals anymore.
Well, they also have a lot of trouble eating.
Right. So.
Oh, Deegie. What's going on, Deegie?
Well, I hope you enjoyed this extensive video on the Basepaws dental cat care kit and what the test results meant and what it means for your cat. Now, Ozzie and Zeke may not have seemed like they fared very well. Ozzie lost all of his incisor teeth and Zeke lost the rest of his teeth except for his 2 canines on both upper and lower, which is very, very sad. But the good news is that we got that dealt with immediately, and I would not have known how urgent it was without the Basepaws test. So thankfully, I got them into the vet and they were able to deal with their pain right away. My understanding about the pain is it's similar to the pain that you might feel before you're advised to get a root canal. So a lot of tooth sensitivity to hot and cold and pain, just a lot of nerve ending pain. And this is what was causing both Ozzie and Zeke to have trouble eating and to salivate a lot. And thankfully now they didn't have to endure any more pain as they would have had I not done the exam and just waited until their annual exam with their vet. I really encourage you, if you have not gotten the Basepaws dental exam for your cat and you are watching this video, then please go ahead and check out their website and consider getting a test for your cat as soon as possible. You might have some really interesting results that were unexpected to you. So if you enjoyed this video, if you like the cat related content, consider subscribing to the channel. It would help us out tremendously and we would love to have you back. In the meantime, have fun with your cat and thanks for watching. Bye!